Hello guys, today just we are going to discuss on the parts of speech. So very first we have to understand what exactly the meaning of parts of speech. Just see, there are two words. Number one, this is a parts, and other, this is a speech. So when we discuss or when we speak about this speech, speech is nothing but whatever we speak or write. So remember over here, when we talk about this speech, what is the meaning of the speech? We have to understand first. The meaning of the speech is whatever we speak or write. And when we speak or write something, we require some specific words. Some specific words. And these specific words हे विशिष्ट असे जे शब्द आहेत या विशिष्ट शब्दांचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. There are different types of these specific words. So what are the types? कोणते याचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत? These types we are going to discuss today, you know. So there are 8 types of the specific words. There are 8 types of the specific speech, and these 8 types are called as parts of speech. As a part of speech. When we speak or when we write, we require particular words. And those particular words have particular meaning. When you are going to express, when you are going to speak, at that moment, just you are going to express by using different words. Sometimes we require names. These are called as nouns. Sometimes we have to replace that name, and that is called as a pronoun. After that, when we are going to talk about the noun, to describe that noun, to talk about that noun more, we require adjectives. And as we are the human beings, we have different kind of the movements, means we do different actions. And when we want to talk about the actions, जेव्हा आपल्याला क्रियेबद्दल आपल्याला बोलायचं असेल तेव्हा आपल्याला क्रिया म्हणून या ठिकाणी verbचा आपल्याला वापर करावा लागेल. त्याच्या पुढे जेव्हा केव्हा आपण क्रिया बोलूया, क्रिया बोलत असताना त्या क्रियांमध्ये आपल्याला काही स्पेसिफिक क्रिया कशा पद्धतीने केल्या जातात, कशा कराव्या लागतात हे पण आपल्याला सांगावं लागतं. क्रिया करण्याची पद्धत, क्रिया करण्याची वेळ, क्रिया करण्याचं ठिकाण याच्या बाबतीत जेव्हा आपण बोलूया, मोस्टली क्रिया करण्याच्या पद्धतीबद्दल जेव्हा आपण बोलूया तेव्हा आपल्याला ॲडव्हर्ब सांगावा लागतो. आणि जेव्हा केव्हा आपण एखाद्या ठिकाणा बाबतीमध्ये किंवा आपण एखाद्या प्लेसबद्दल किंवा आपण एखाद्या वेळेबद्दल जेव्हा केव्हा बोलतोय, दॅट इज गोइंग टू द यूज ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन. अँड येस, when we want to connect, जेव्हा आपल्याला जोडायची आहेत, when we want to connect two sentences or two words, at that moment there is a need of specific words, and these specific words are called as conjunctions. And yes, my friends, we are human beings and we have lot of emotions in us, you know that. When we want to express our emotions in a certain time, एखादी इमोशन आपल्याला फटकन एक्सप्रेस करायची असेल तर आपल्या आत असणारी जी इमोशन आहे ती आपण इंटरजेक्ट करतोय, म्हणजे बाहेर काढतोय. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ इंटरजेक्शन. So my dear friends, whenever we want to speak or whenever we want to write, there is the need of these 8 parts. There is the need of these 8 parts. 8 parts means these are the parts of language. These are the parts of language. So one thing we have to notice, any language would be there, that would be English, Marathi or Hindi. There is the requirement of different types of the words, and these different kind of the words are categorized in 8 types. These different types of the words are categorized in 8 types, and these are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. All all these 8 words will come together, and just we can prepare any text, we can prepare any speech, or we can prepare whatever we want to speak or write. So what is the essential? First, we have to understand what these 8 words are. Without these 8 words, we cannot speak, we cannot write. So we should understand, we should identify what is the role of each type of the word. What is the role of each type of the word? Let me repeat. We have to understand what is the role of each type of the word in the language. Every type of the word has the specific role. It has the specific verb, and it has the role which is given. And that role we should know, that role we should learn. Once we understand that role, I'm sure we can write, we can speak, or we can be fluent in that language. So what is the foundation of the language? The foundation of the language is 8 type of these words. So what is our responsibility? What is the need? The need is to understand the meaning of these 8 type of the words, to understand what is the role of these 8 types of the words in the language. So my dear friends, one by one, just we people are going to understand the role of these 8 types of the words to develop the language or to acquire the fluency in writing or reading. So yes, day by day, just we are going to think about one by one parts of speech. So my dear friends, in the next video, we people are going to discuss about the noun, and then one by one pronoun, adjective, verb, then adverb, then preposition, then conjunction, and then interjection. So thanks a lot for listening me. In next video, we people will meet with noun. Thank you. Thank you.